Here at the farm is Saturday, 15th May maybe? I don't know. Could be the 14th, who knows. Anyway, up here on the travel trailer, on the ladder, got a little bit of cracking on the sealant, on this black sealant, on both sides, and it's very, very minor. This is the sealant I'm going to reapply. It's black. Got the AC running. This is the condition of the roof. This is called chore, the white stuff, self-leveling. Funny thing about travel trailers, you got to at least inspect the all seals going down all seams, both vertical and horizontal. Vertical on your walls, horizontal on your roof, around all your roof openings. This is a factory seal job. You see how wide it is? Well, that's normal. That's not abnormal. Keep your gutters clean. Did that the other day. This water running down is coming off the AC evaporator. It's the condensate. That cracking is very minor, but I like to stay on top of things. Over here, this is the only type of insect cover I could find to fit the louvered vent on the refrigerators. There's a lower and an upper. Took some modification, and normally the little screen goes on the underside of the louvers on the inside of the cover, but they don't make one for this model refrigerator yet, so I had to do that. Over here on the heater, this is standard cover, but they come with little springs. But the way this heater vent is made, I couldn't really get the springs to adhere correctly. Quick fix, drill a couple pilots, run some screws through the pilot holes. It's on there permanently. Then you take the screws back out if you got to service it. If you got an RV, any kind of RV, this is from our trailer fixing days. Got bearings, washers, assortment of screws, all types. These I just put in here because I needed a place to put them. So this is kind of standard if you got an RV, travel trailer, motorhome, either one. Something's going to fall apart, always does. They're made to go up and down the road, but they still get beat slapped to death on bad roads. And over at the well, that's a little house over there behind the picnic area. I had to recharge the expansion tank bladder. Nothing worth filming. It's pretty, you know, real dang easy. This is your water heater, inset screen on the vent for it. This one, the springs worked well, so I just used the springs on that instead of screwing it on firm. Again, just fine. Keeps all the bugs out, dirt daubers, hornets, paper wasps, mice, if you park it in tall grass. There's all kinds of little critters getting those travel trailers. And while I was up here, went ahead and replaced the passenger side mirror that the tree took out. It's a mirror. Got on YouTube, looked at a bunch of videos. This is actually just a stupid simple job. We got a series of clips that hold the door on. There's a screw behind here. Take that cover out. This just pops up so you can unplug your control for your windows and locks. Take this little rubber grommet out, makes it easier to get the door off. This just snaps in so it snaps out. Pop the door up to clear all the U-shaped retainers. Thing comes right off. Mirror's held on by 3 bolts. YouTube, everybody was using aftermarket mirrors. This is a Mopar mirror. I went to the Ram dealership, picked it up. It's got defrost. It's got your turn signal. There it is. Got your turn signal. Got your puddle lamp. It was only 325 bucks tax out the door. Ones on the internet and Amazon, that price or a little bit more in their aftermarket. So I don't know why everybody's going straight to Amazon and eBay to get these mirrors. This thing's plug and play. It's got everything you need. Remove all the wiring harness retainers to hold the wire. It comes with new ones. Snap it in. It's a done deal. But you know, a lot of guys are going aftermarket. I don't know why. So bright, shiny, and new. I tried to buy just this plastic cover right here. Can't get that. Gotta buy the whole dang mirror. Oh well. So I'm going to seal the trailer and try and take it easy today. I was going to spray herbicide. Y'all can see that sky. It ain't raining right now, but it's going to start raining pretty soon. I don't want to waste all that money on that chemical. It needs to be dry for 24 hours. No rain for 24 hours, or you're just throwing money away. So I can't spray today and don't feel like mowing. So I'll probably finish up the seal job on the roof of the trailer on those two front corners and call it a day. Head back to the house. I was going to do the mirror tomorrow. Changing out the mirror took 20 minutes. Took me 45 minutes to find a little plastic clip I dropped on the floor. Yeah, well, but I did find it. Anyway, hot and humid. Deers run around coming up to see what I'm doing. That's kind of neat, but that's all for this one. Thank you.